Hello everyone, welcome to my vlog. So the plan was to go to the Blue Lagoon and then the Christmas markets, but the weather's really bad, so I'm not sure if we'll be able to go. We're just getting ready and getting changed and then seeing if we can head out. It's pitch black outside. You want lemons? Yeah, we'll just take half and then swap.
They have a lot of olives in the recipe.
Oh.
Yeah.
So we've had to cancel our ice cave tour because the weather outside is really bad, but I think we're just going to hang around the town and then probably play in the snow today.
Making me hate you. How we think is painful, but maybe I'm grateful. I think I've seen this before. This is the part where you say you want me to. I say I love you, then you go act a fool. That's how the story goes. Just wanna let you know, no need to sugarcoat it. It's getting old, there's not much to uphold. Almost like legal goals. No need to sugarcoat it. I can't be the one. Hey, yeah. It's not overdue. Over you. Follow to deja vu. I thought I was psycho for you. Play tricks with my mind like voodoo. Might be a danger to you, but that ain't old news. Delusional.